Okay, yeah.
Yeah, thank you. So hi everyone from Copenhagen. My name is Katrina Falk. I'm the marketing manager of Spectee. Spectee was founded in 2011 after the Great East Japan earthquake. At that time, fake news flooded social media, and it was really hard to get there to understand what's happening and what's needed due to the physical damage to the transport networks. That's why at that time, our CEO and founder, Murakami Kenjiro, thought, if we can better utilize social media with everyone having a smartphone in hand and uploading videos and pictures what's happening from where they are, social media can actually be used as a fast and accurate source of information. So in order to build a more resilient world, we are hoping to visualize the crisis. And by crisis, we are not just looking at natural disasters, but also climate change, political turbulences, and even the pandemic that we are facing nowadays. One of our main products is called Spectee Pro. Spectee Pro utilizes AI technologies of image and language analysis to filter out the noise on social media. For example, every minute, there are 400 hours of videos being uploaded to YouTube alone. It will be impossible to scan through all those information with just manpower, which is why we are using AI technology to compile every fact check and useful information into a dashboard, a map, and also a fast alert system so that our clients can understand what's happening and where fast and accurately. Here is an example of what we do. Back in 2019, there was a huge arson attack in Kyoto where 36 people died. The attack happened in the morning at around 10:30 something, and by 10:41, we were able to deliver our first report on the incident by sourcing from social media. At 10:57, we were able to identify the exact location. With our assistance, a TV station was able to break the news within just less than an hour from when the attack actually happened. By the time the fire was contained at 15:19, we have delivered in total 48 reports on the incident by looking at social media. Here you can imagine how it can greatly benefit governments, enterprises, and news agencies. Because with our products, people can respond to disasters faster and more efficiently. We can have better risk management and secure our employee safety. It will also be an essential tool for people to stay updated and connected. Going forward, we are hoping to expand our data sources. In other words, we will not just be looking at social media, but also getting data from satellites, vehicles, wearable devices, smart poles, and security camera footage. With our products, we hope to help build Society 5.0, which we define as a human-centered society that balances economic advancement with the resolutions of social issues by a system that highly integrates the cyberspace and the physical space. On top of risk management, we hope to work towards better disaster forecasts, building smart cities, and having mobility as a service. In order to actualize our goal, we are already working with SoftBank on their smart city project in Takeshiba, where you can expect cashierless checkout, secure lobbies 24/7, and easy access to offices. We are also collaborating closely with the Japanese government on their road surface condition monitoring projects, and in Kaga City, we are working on water level monitoring. Given the special geographical location of the Netherlands, we believe projects like this, especially water level monitoring, would be of special interest in the Dutch market. Therefore, we sincerely hope that we can collaborate with Orange Fab and explore even more potentials of what we can do in order to build a more resilient and more sustainable world. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much. In time, great. So anybody have a question to Spectee?
Katrina, thank you for the presentation. Very interesting, especially as open source investigations are increasing all around the world and the use of social media or the value has been, is being recognized more and more. I'm curious how you assure the accuracy of the information provided. Is there any fact checking in place? Is it certified? How do you ensure that your customers actually get accurate information and not fake news?
We have a fact checking system where we compare the image with our database. So if someone is uploading a picture or a video that is from, I don't know, 2019 and pretend that it's happening right now, we will be able to know by identifying key objects in the image. We are also hiring a team of human moderators to fact check all the details and see if like the details of the incident matches with the actual happenings of like the surroundings and places.
Follow-up question, how fast can that happen? Because if these emergencies, they need quick response. And if you take time to fact check, can that happen in real time as well? So that would be my concern.
Yeah, maybe not exactly real time because we still need to be very careful with the fact checking process. But as mentioned in the example before where the arson attack happened, it took like within 10 minutes for us to deliver the first report that is fact checked.
Okay, any other questions? Kus?
Yes, thank you. Thank you, Katrina. I have a short question. Can you tell us a little bit more about your team that you have in place?
Right now, our team is mostly based in Tokyo. So we have a team that is focusing more on Japanese news. But we are also expanding our network because we are also working with the foreign ministry in Japan in order to make sure that Japanese people around the world are safe. So we also have like an international team that look at international news.
Founding team. What is the founding team of the startup?
It's founded by. Sorry.
Yes, exactly. The founders. How the founding team is and what their special. Yeah, what their education is.
I'm not sure about like the exact education, but they used to work in the tech side, like they work for Sony and other tech companies.
Any other question?
Yeah, I have a question myself.
Okay.
Do you hear me?
Yep.
Yep. Okay. If you plan to go international, I guess, especially for the fact checking, you will need to have a local team in every country you want to deploy your solution. Because I guess it's difficult to do fact checking if you're not inside the country and you don't know exactly how it works to get real information and to have a look at the information your system gather to really double check it. So what's your plan towards Europe? If you plan to go there or not, and if yes, how do you plan to manage this issue of local team?
I hope I got the question right because the volume was a bit low. But we do have people in Europe, like I am in Copenhagen right now. We have someone in the US. We also have people outside of Japan, like in Singapore and Taiwan. So we do hope that like in the future with more resources, we will be able to expand our team. Right now, we are already working with Associated Press, News Flare, and also Reuters. So they are our international customers.
Okay, maybe that's all. It's time. So thank you very much, Catalina. So